The 5D Innovation Framework is UNICEF's guide to help you identify, validate, and scale innovations. But how do you use it in practice? The framework evaluates innovations through 5 interconnected dimensions. Innovation: how novel, relevant, and catalytic is the solution? Business model: is it financially and operationally sustainable over time? Impact: what evidence shows positive, measurable change? Scalability: can it grow across regions, systems, or populations? Risk: what could go wrong, and how can we mitigate it?
So the framework helped us also identify potential risks, including reputational risks for new products and issues related to data privacy or culturally inappropriate content. It also prompts consideration of the sustainability of business models right at the beginning.
Each of the 18 sub-dimensions includes guiding questions. Evaluators score initiatives from 0 to 3 based on existing evidence. These scores are compared with thresholds, and with stricter thresholds as an innovation matures. This comparison helps you determine if your solution is ready to advance, or if you need to pause, rethink, and strengthen your approach.
We've agreed on the phases or stages that as a country office we are adopting, and within those stages we are applying the 5D to guide decisions on whether or not a solution is ready to transition from one stage gate to the other.
We developed the 5D Innovation Framework not only for UNICEF, but for other organizations in the UN and the government, academia, private sector, and NGOs to increase the impact for children across the world.
Whether you're evaluating an innovation, exploring new opportunities, or deciding if a pilot is ready to scale, test the 5D Innovation Framework and our web assessment tool yourself for a structured approach to scale innovations.